Alright, this is Homework Help, Module 2, Lesson 4, Take 2. Hopefully this is recording my voice. That's one of the things we did today in class. Here we go. So we have the word 11 here. So that means that we're going to take the 49 and move it here. So we have to think 49, it can also be 50 minus 1. So we're going to draw a tape diagram. And on this tape diagram, we're going to have 11s. We're going to do 49 11s, actually 50 11s. I was right the first time. But we can't draw all of those, so we're going to do these dots to represent all the other ones. I'm going to put 11 here and another 11 here. This will be my 49th 11. And this will be the one that I'm going to take away. So this one is my 50th 11. Okay, as you can see right here, it has 50 11s and 1 11. We're going to take those numbers I'm going to have the 50 11s, easy math, 50 11s, and then we're going to put 1 times 11, which is 11. And 50 times 11 would be 55 with a 0 behind it. 5 times 11 is 55, and we put a 0 behind it. Now we just have to add up the two numbers, or subtract. My mistake. So we're going to subtract the 11. So we have 10 minus 1 is 9. 4 minus 1 is 3. And then we have the 5. Okay, so our answer to 49 times 11 is 539. Okay, so we did some easy math by multiplying it times 50 and then subtracting 1 times 11. Over here we're going to do a similar thing. We are going to check off what we have already. This is 25s, so that's this one. So that means we're going to put, that's our unit, so now we're going to put the 13 in front. Okay, so we have to think, how can we break up the 13 to make some easy math? Well, we can use a 10, that's easy, and we can use a 3. All right, so what's next? What comes next is now we have to draw the tape diagram. Okay? Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to draw the tape diagram with 10 we're going to do 25s. So we have 25, 25. We're going to do 10 of them. Of course, we can't draw all 10 of them, so we are going to draw, and then it's going to be 10. And then we're going to draw 3 of them. To represent the 3 25s. So we're going to have a 3 here, we're going to have a 10 here, 3 times 25, hopefully you know it's 75. How do I know that? 3/4. And 25 times 10 is 25 times 1 is 25, and then I have a 0 to add. Okay, now it's addition, and my addition will make it 325. Somebody might be saying, oh, how did he get that? 250 plus 75. Okay, we'll go ahead and do another 2 examples. This one says 25, so we have a 25, so that means we have to put the 12 here. It's similar to the one that we just did. Instead of 13, it has 12. So we're going to break this apart into 10 plus 2. Okay, so we're going to draw the 10 25s. Of course, we're not going to draw all of them. And then we're going to add to it the 2 25s. And I'm actually going to add the 2 25s. You're going to see that. It's so simple. All right, so we're going to put a 2 over here and a 10 over here. And we're going to add them up, or excuse me, multiply them times the 25s. 2 times 25 is 50, 2/4. And we already figured this one out, 250. And that put together gives us our 300. Again, 250 plus 50 equals 300. Let me just check something real quick. Yep, that was an addition one. So those two are pretty similar. All right, on our last one, it doesn't tell us the word, so we have to type the word. So the word here, let's first check off what we have. We have 31. So that means our word has to be 11. So that's going to be our word. And again, we know that because the 11 is not taken care of. So we're going to put 11 down here. And it's going to be here as well, and then numerical form. Now how does this work, or how does this look? Well, it's going to look similar to what we've been doing. We're going to be making 31s though inside, 11s. So we are going to make boxes that have 11 in them. We're going to make 31 of them. And there's my 30th. And then I need to add one more. So this is where I'm getting the 1 from. I'm adding one more to make 31. Okay? So over here, we have 1 times 11, which is 11. And on the other side, we have 30 times 11. 3 times 11 is 33. Or 3 times 1. Yeah, 3 times 11 is 33. And then we have to add our 0 because it's 30 times 11. And it's an addition sign, so we're going to add them up. So pay attention to what you have to do if it's adding or subtracting. This one happens to be adding. Okay. We also had a subtraction one over here. So this is an example of subtraction. We cross something out. When we add, we put extra ones on the side. Okay. All right, so our bonus word, again, sorry it's taken so long, is turkey. May the force be with you. Do your best.